Hello, I am Adrian. Today, we will take you on a historical journey to the beautiful city of Bristol in 1790. And don't forget to like and subscribe.
In 1790 Bristol, the harbour smelled of spice and mud, an empire's gateway, busy, profitable, and quietly ominous. Sweet cargo arrived in heavy barrels, but every shipment carried a hidden cost that the city preferred not to name. The Avon's winding path sheltered Bristol like a fortress, turning geography into advantage for global trade and guarded wealth. Quays grew longer and stronger, financed by accelerating trade, new stone laid on old suffering. Behind polished doors, profits were calculated with calm handwriting, while human lives were reduced to numbers. Ledgers filled with careful ink, and each quiet mark helped move wealth across oceans with chilling efficiency. Credit made empires possible, money changing hands in silence, while the origin of that wealth went politely unspoken. Bristol's hills displayed comfort and order, but below, labour and grime supported everything above. Warehouses swallowed the river's riches, wood, sugar, rum, and cloth, stored like trophies of global reach. Refining sugar was brutal work, heat, fumes, and endless lifting. Sweetness for some, sickness for others. In the glassworks, fire turned sand into luxury, while workers breathed heat and chemicals for a merchant's profit. Near the docks, families lived tight and damp, pressed into courts where disease and debt spread quickly. Not everyone agreed with the trade. Quiet hands passed papers, and conscience began to challenge profit. In coffee houses, Bristol argued with itself, merchants defending commerce, radicals asking what kind of wealth was acceptable. In back rooms, dissenters planned carefully, knowing that challenging Bristol's income meant challenging powerful people. In elegant rooms, imported luxuries signaled success, while the city's darker mechanisms stayed out of sight. Empire wasn't dramatic day to day. It was routine, seals, signatures, schedules, and cargo moving like clockwork. The streets we walk today still follow old lines, paths shaped by trade, money, and decisions that never truly disappeared. Bristol's harbour looked golden at dusk, but its wealth carried shadows, still demanding honesty, memory, and accountability.